Mana tiya ay?
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of Senior Rectos Elementary School, having received our certificates of graduation with our never-ending love, appreciation, memorial to our alma mater, the Senior Rectos Elementary School. Do hereby pledge to do our best for the greater glory to our parents, for the greater honor of our school, and for the progress of our country, the Philippines. So help us God.
Congratulations once again, our graduates of batch